Have you ever stopped to ponder about why goats sneeze? It's quite an interesting phenomenon. Believe it or not, they do it for a reason. A reason steeped in their survival instincts. Yes, you heard, and it might surprise, sneezing, something we humans usually associate with colds or allergies, has a completely different meaning in the world of goats. It's ingeniously their way of alerting their fellow herd members to the presence of potential danger. A sneeze serves as an alarm bell of sorts. So, next time you're out and about and you hear the peculiar sound of a goat sneezing, pause and remember, it might not just be an allergic reaction.